Good day everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In our Proco girl don't come again. No, I don't come with another story we go totori in our body. Hey, my people, wetin I carry content na today. It dey very interesting though. You know, say as this our country just dey hot, they kidnap, they do everything at the same time. We still go bring gist, so go they make in our body they cool, in our go they laugh. So the matter wey dey ground be say, doctors they lament give Nollywood. How did they take project some kind hospital scenes for them? Yes, now the matter where they ground. Doctors lament on how the Nollywood are projecting some kind of hospital scenes. So my people, Dr. Viva, as we all know, they lament, they comment for social media. He call Nollywood. In the Yemen times, they don't call in us so. Me I hear and 3 times so. I saw Dr. Viva come they lament, they talk. Say whether Nollywood not get money to pay medical practitioners of blah blah blah. And I know wetin they call them so whether I no get money, they no get money to pay them. Make they come direct some kind hospital scenes for them. My people, be as if this doctor knows, they don't know wetin they happen for the industry. They still they wait. They still say we done dey America. They wait, make they come pay them some kind money, make they do so. But I believe say we go and we go take over to the next level. So my people, this woman don't lament. Say these things where they do, say if they affect the health, whatever, their health, and I know the medical lines. Say they affect their health sectors. Say they draw them back, and if they make the people, they know they draw the people back. They know they try understand the things where they do. In essence, say people go think say na so the doctors they do, say na so they do. Now waiting the woman they try won't explain give us. So, but I go like making her follow me see some kind hospital scenes where this Nollywood people done they direct, where this Dr. Viva done they talk about. So making her see the video.
Action! Okay. Push! Doing all this.
My people, now the video be that oh. In I don't see am now how woman they born pikin. We not even see the water. We not see anything. No cord, nothing. We don't know whether the woman just push. Now the woman die put nothing. We don't know whether na die. I been a faint or I be the woman get still better. And I see all the comment and everything. Nollywood now don't come to do us wayo, but we don't upgrade. We don't get sense. People don't they go schools. Doctors don't they attacking now. Men I begin they pay money they upgrade. Which kind of thing come with this one? Hey, see woman wey go born pikin. Na see wetin happen so. I see the video. Na for only Nollywood spirit go dey. E dey change cloth. Spirit wan appear, e change cloth. Spirit appear again, e don change cloth. E dey go shopping. Spirit get shopping wardrobe. Yeah, e dey change the cloth. Only for Nigeria we dey see different kind of things. So, hey, Nollywood, make una upgrade though. Make una dey try pay some kind money, give some people. No be na go do everything. No. You go see director. Only him na makeup artist, only him na sound and mind, only him na costumier, only him na camera assistant, only him na DOP, only him go do the whole work. He no wan pay people. Give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar and give to God what belongs to God. When na open in a hand, they pay people, pay them better money. Oh. If na they pay them, they give them wetin suppose reach their hand. You na go see how technologies go they come, people go they upgrade, they do some kind things. Them say if you go hospital beg doctor, please can I use one corner take shoot from one corner, and I don't come and bring bed, bring stick, cover and turn am to labor room, push film. Maybe I don't beg them free of charge. If na pay them money, I know say I go get everything where I want needs. They go even direct in a way take do the scene very well. So Nollywood we dey beg now, we dey wait to even this doctor don dey beg say make they tag AGN president and chairman we still dey wait for the AGN chairman and the president to the way wey we dey wait for Buhari to come make come bring change, come give the society and security wey Nigeria need. Na so we dey wait for AGN chairman make we come know wetin go come talk put for this matter, so whether they go upgrade o abi na this same level they wan dey o. But I know say e get some good directors wey be say if they wan do film, they go do film, do am well, you go enjoy am well well. E say as Genevieve Nnaji come shoot this one wey go Netflix now, I believe say na so we go dey get plenty good people wey go dey shoot different things. You know say we get seamstress, we get tailors, we get different things, na so all of them dey upgrade. So when anybody reach in level where e go take upgrade, e go upgrade. But men na try dey upgrade too. Nigeria need to change begins with us also. So Nollywood o, we dey wait for it now, make una change o. AGN president and chairman, make una come answer the doctors o. They don dey call una, so come answer una call. Thank you all o. Na their proko be this one I carry come give una. So I know say una enjoy this news and una don laugh where una dey with the video wey una see. So make una no forget to like, share, comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more news of our next videos. Thank you.